Dear guys, we shall know how to change from direct speech to indirect speech, or you say from DS to IS. When the sentence within inverted comma or quotation mark is an interrogative sentence, right? And in order to understand this concept, we have to know some words which are frequently used in its abbreviate forms. Okay, what are they? They are RV, reporting verb. I mean, the verb which is there in the introductory clause or introductory sentence, that is called RV or reporting verb. RS, reported speech, which is called reported speech. The sentence which is within inverted comma or quotation mark, that is called reported speech. And in order to change from direct speech to indirect speech smoothly, some certain formalities, rules, or formulas, concepts, or tips are very essential. One of them is a formula that is SUN 1, 2, 3. S stands for subject of introductory clause. O stands for object of introductory clause. N stands for noun or it may be pronoun. It is the subject of the sentence which is within inverted comma or quotation mark. One stands for first person, I mean I or we, subject of RS or reported speech. Two, two stands for second person, you singular, you plural, that is subject of RS or reported speech. Three, third person, I mean he, she, they, and other nouns, which is the subject of RS or reported speech. Okay, I mean S stands for subject of introductory sentence or introductory clause. O stands for object of introductory clause or introductory sentence. N stands for noun, that is subject of the sentence within inverted comma. One stands for first person, two for second person, three for third person. Okay, 1, 2, 3, SUN, SON. We have to remember this formula for the smooth conversion from direct speech to indirect speech. Right? Hello guys, welcome to Kamalasir's English classes. Dear guys, today we shall discuss the fourth part of direct and indirect speech. And I think this video will be very helpful to you. So it is my request, please watch this video from beginning to end without skipping any portion of the video so that it will be very helpful for you. Right? Now we shall start the video. Okay? Dear guys, before we going to convert from direct speech to indirect speech, when the sentence within inverted comma is an interrogative sentence, how to convert it from direct speech to indirect speech, or how to change it from direct speech to indirect speech, right? So before that we should know what is interrogative sentence and how many types of interrogative sentences are there. Interrogative sentences are of two types: yes no interrogative sentence, yes no questions, and WH word questions. Then the question may come to your mind, what is yes no question and what is WH word question? The sentence which needs yes or no at the beginning of your answer, that is called yes no question or inversion question. For example, is it raining? Is it raining heavily? This is an this is a yes no question. Its answer will be like this: yes, it is raining heavily, or if the answer is negative, no, it is not raining heavily. So it is a yes no question. And what is WH word question? We have to straight answer this question. Like, where do you live? I live at Balasur. Where do you live? Its answer is I live at Balasur. This is yes no question, and this is yes no question, and this is WH word question. Okay. So now the question is, when the sentence within inverted comma or RS is an interrogative sentence, how to convert it from direct speech to indirect speech, and when the sentence within inverted comma is a WH word question, how we should change it from direct speech to indirect speech. First of all, we shall change yes no question. When yes no question is there within the inverted comma or quotation mark, right? Pay attention and look at the board. I have taken an example for your better understanding. He said to me, have you taken your breakfast? So this part, from this to this part is introductory clause, and this is RS, or the sentence within inverted comma, from this to this. The sentence within inverted comma is an interrogative sentence. I mean yes no question sentence. And here RV is said. Okay. Certain rules you have to follow while changing from direct speech into indirect speech when the sentence within inverted comma is an interrogative sentence. The interrogative sentence may be yes no question or WH word question sentence. But here we are discussing about the yes no question or inversion question. And what are the rules we have to follow while converting from direct speech to indirect speech? Pay attention to the board and listen to me mindfully. So point number one, or rule number one, in question sentence, RV will be changed into ask, question, wonder, want to know from, inquire of, etc. instead of say. This RV may be say, or will say, says, or said. In different tense it may remain. But when it is in present tense or future tense, in present tense say, it may be converted to ask, question, wonder, want to know from, inquire of. If it is says, asks, it will be asks, questions, wonders, wants to know from, inquires of, etc. If it is will say, it will be converted to will ask, will question, will wonder, will want to know from, will inquire of, etc. instead of the previous say form of verb. And when it is in past tense like this, said, it will be converted to asked, either to asked or questioned, wondered, or wanted to know from or inquire of, etc. instead of said. Okay. Then point number two, after conversion, RS will change into affirmative form. Means it is in question form, it will be changed into affirmative form. And the inverted comma will be removed, and in place of question mark, what will be used? Instead of question mark, at the end of the sentence, full stop will be used. Third rule is RV and RS, means reporting verb part and reported speech part will be connected or will be joined with the help of conjunction if or whether. Right? If will be used in every case, but whether will be used if the choice is there. Okay? By the by, while we will solve the problems, you will be implemented by this rule. Okay? So, You will look at this sentence once again. While we are changing from direct speech to indirect speech, the joining word will be if or whether. Here, if is possible. The how the conversion will be, he asked me, true will be dropped, like affirmative sentence or assertive sentence. True will be dropped. He asked me if you will change according to me if I had taken my breakfast, full stop. So the tense change, person change will be done according to the affirmative sentence, according to the statement or declarative sentence, or you say assertive sentence. There is no change of the rule. Only the joining word and the sentence within inverted comma will be changed into affirmative form, and at the end of the sentence a full stop will be used instead of a question mark, and joining word will be what, if or whether. You have to remember this much. Now we shall take some more examples for your better understanding. Okay, now we shall discuss some practice exercise. Okay, some practice exercises. Okay, you look at the board. Question number 1. My friend said to me, are you a traitor? So here RV is said. We know while converting from direct speech to indirect speech, when the sentence within inverted comma or quotation mark is an interrogative sentence, we will change said into asked or questioned, or say wondered, inquired of, wanted to know from, etc. But the common form is asked. Okay, according to the uh, situation of the sentence, you have to convert whether you will use asked or wonder or question or anything I have already discussed. Okay, the normal form or common form is ask. So my friend said to me, are you a traitor? My friend asked me, to will be dropped. My friend asked me, and joining word between RV and RS will be if or whether. Here, if is definite because it is not a sentence of preference. In the sentence of preference, whether is used. Here, it is not a sentence of preference, so if is more appropriate. Are you a traitor? R refers to here me. So you will convert it to I, and its tense will also convert it because it is in past tense. So after conversion, the sentence will be like this. My friend asked me if I was a traitor, and at the end of the sentence here, question mark was here, and now it will be replaced, and in its place full stop will be used. Okay, then we shall go for question number 2. He said to you, am I handsome? So here RVG said, it will be converted to either asked or questioned or wondered or inquired of or wanted to know from, etc. But I am using the common form ask. So he asked you to is dropped, and joining word is if, and it will be converted to, first you convert it into affirmative sentence. Am I handsome? I mean, I am handsome. So it is affirmative sentence. I am handsome. I will be converted according to he. So if he, and tense will be changed, am will be changed into what? If he was handsome. He asked you if he was handsome. So this is the accurate sentence after conversion from direct speech to indirect speech. Then we shall go for question number 3. He said to me, has he a car? He RV said will be converted to asked. He asked me, to will be dropped. He asked me if he, it is a third person, so no change. So it will remain constant. And tense will be changed. Has will be changed into had. He asked me if he had a car. Full stop. Interrogative mark will be replaced. Then we shall go for question number 4. Haresh said to Naresh, have you completed your work? Said will be converted to asked. Haresh asked Naresh, to will be dropped, and here you refer to Naresh. So we will use the appropriate personal pronoun he instead of Naresh. So Haresh asked Naresh if he means Naresh, have will be converted to had completed his, your will be converted to his work. So after conversion, the sentence will be like this. Haresh asked Naresh if he or Naresh had completed his work. Okay. Now we shall go for question number 5. Father said to mother, will you go to market? Here RVG said, and this is RS. This portion is introductory sentence. This is RV. So what will be the sentence after conversion? Father asked, or you can also use father questioned. Two will be dropped. Father asked or questioned the mother, and joining word will be if. If you will change according to mother. You and mother are same person. So instead of you, we will use mother or its pronoun. Its pronoun is she. If she would go to market, will be changed into would, past form, because RV is in past tense. So father asked or questioned mother if she would go to market, right? Then we shall go for question number 6. My friend will say to me, do you take exercise regularly? So the RV is in future tense. So it will be converted, will be converted to will ask. My friend will ask me, to will be dropped, and if you here refers to object me, means I. My friend will ask me if I take exercise regularly, right? Then we shall go for question number 7. The host said to the guest, does he prefer tea or coffee? You look at this board and try to understand. The sentence within inverted comma is a choice question. As choice is given there, instead of if, we have to use whether, right? The joining word between RV and RS will be whether. The host asks the guest whether he is a third person, so no change will take place. Only the interrogative sentence will be converted to affirmative sentence and tense will be changed. So the host asks the guest whether he preferred tea or coffee, right? I think you must have understood how to convert from direct speech to indirect speech when the sentence within inverted comma is an yes no question or yes no interrogative sentence. Okay, dear guys, already I have given you a practice exercise and I have explained all the rules connected with it. And now, for your better understanding, for clear understanding, I have taken an example and explaining how to convert from direct speech to indirect speech when the sentence within inverted comma is a yes no question or inversion question. Okay, you look at the board. The question is, Rina said to Radha, do you like it? The sentence within inverted comma, do you like it? So first you have to convert this sentence into affirmative sentence or positive sentence or assertive sentence, or you say statement. So do you like it? If you convert it into statement or declarative sentence or affirmative sentence, or you say positive sentence, what will be the case? What will be its a transformation? You like it. I have given some examples here for your better understanding. You pay attention and try to understand before converting from direct speech to indirect speech what to do. In your mind, you change like this. Do you like it? If you convert it from question to statement or declarative sentence, it will be you like it. You like it. So do like, do plus like, do plus like is equal to like. Okay? So you like it. Does he like it? So does plus like means likes. So the statement or declarative sentence, this question's declarative sentence will be he likes it. Does plus like equal to likes. Right? Similarly, did she like it? Did plus like equal to liked. So it's a declarative sentence or statement will be she liked it. So similar will be the case here. Look at the board and try your best to understand it. Before going to transform the sentence from direct speech to indirect speech, we have to convert this sentence into statement in your mind. Okay? Then you will change it in following the rule how to change from direct speech to indirect speech in case of statement or in case of is assertive sentence or declarative sentence. Okay, same rule will be applied and question mark will be replaced, and instead of it you will use full stop. So you look at the solved sentence. Rina said to Radha, do you like it? Rina asked Radha, joining word if. You refers to Radha, so Radha's pronoun is she. Rina asked Radha if she liked. Do plus like, it's do plus like, and its past tense is liked. She liked it. Rina asked Radha if she liked it. So before you converting from direct speech to indirect speech, you change this sentence, the sentence within inverted comma or quotation mark, from question to statement or from affirmative form or negative or positive form or a declarative form, so that it will be very easy for you from changing from direct speech to indirect speech. You will follow the rules how to change from direct speech to indirect speech in case of statement or declarative sentence. That rule will be applied and all the rules will be applied there. Suppose a sentence, affirmative sentence is there, am I a student? Am I a student? This is an interrogative sentence. If you want to make it statement, am I a student? I am a student. Right? Have you a car? I have a car. Have you a car? You have a car. Right? This way you convert first the interrogative sentence into statement or declarative sentence. Thereafter you change it from direct speech to indirect speech following the rules of statement. Okay? Dear guys, if you think this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and comment this video. And those who are watching my channel for the first time, it is my earnest request to them, please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel so that whenever I upload new videos, you will get immediate notification. And Another thing is that if you unable to understand this video, please, this is my fourth part. This is the fourth part of my video based on direct and indirect speech. If you unable to understand this video, please you refer to part 3, part 2 and part 1 so that your doubt will be clarified. You will be sound in direct and indirect speech, how to transform from direct speech to indirect speech. Thank you for watching my channel. All the best.